Today, I've got 5 super effective tips to help you lose weight. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps boost metabolism and can help control hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Tip 2. Eat more protein. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or beans into your meals. Protein keeps you fuller for longer and helps build muscle. Tip 3. Watch portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much. Use smaller plates and listen to your body's hunger cues. Tip 4. Get active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Whether it's a brisk walk or a workout, regular movement is key to weight loss. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and there you have it. 5 easy tips to help you on your weight loss journey. Follow for more quick fixes and stay tuned for more tips.